What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to this Forex forecast. We haven't done one of these in about 2 weeks. I just wanted to quickly give an update on something that we were talking about the last 2 weeks, and that was pound AUD. So, if you remember back when I had first spoke about this, several months ago, actually probably before COVID and quarantine, I was talking about this particular area right here being an area of significance. Now, what had happened is, like I said right here, if we are showing a bullish continuation, we have a good leg to make it up to this 88% structure. However, if it does respect it, we should go towards TP1, if not towards TP2. If you remember back a couple weeks ago, I did say that if we do start touching this this ascending trend line, at this point, you should already be at a break even point. So it wouldn't necessarily matter if you decide to take the risk towards TP1. However, you would be able to at least take your profit out right here. And assuming your risk was adjusted, you're getting at least a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, which is great. However, like I said, you should be at a break even point. And I said if it does end up breaking this ascending trend line and it shows on the lower time frame that it is not only breaking through but testing it as resistance, then we do have strong legs to go towards our TP1. And right there, I would suggest that you either manually close it. There's no need to be greedy in going towards TP2 because we would definitely see a retracement at that point. And then from there, we would try to see what is happening. So determine whether or not we could make it towards TP2. However, you see that we did end up having a strong break below this ascending trend line, and you can see that this trend line, even on the monthly time frame, has been respected once, twice, three, four, kind of 5 times, and it broke through. So even if we just considered this one as not necessarily a test, that's 4 times on a monthly time frame, showing that this is a significant trend line, all in all. So the fact we broke through it and we broke through it consistently on the weekly time frame tells us that we are in the midst of a possibility of it acting as resistance now. So basically what I want to tell you guys is close out the trade manually if you are comfortable with where you are at in the profit. At this point, you should be in a take profit position anyways. And like I said, you should be at a break even point with your stop loss. So if you do decide to let it run its course and go towards TP1, then if it does retrace back up to here, you should not be losing any money. In fact, you should be making a little bit extra money to cover the swap charges and commission fees. So this is pound AUD. Just a quick update. We did break this ascending trend line that I talked about for the last couple of months. And right now, we're just waiting and being patient to determine whether or not price is going to continue down towards TP1 or if you're going to close it out manually yourself. Thanks again, guys. Hopefully, this has been helpful. If you've been following our trades for the last couple of years, hopefully you've been able to secure some pips and some profits as well. If that's the case, do not forget to like this video, comment some pairs that you want us to cover in future videos as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.